Hey, good morning everyone. It's a beautiful day here at Shawnee Peak and it's the last day of January. I have to point out Mount Washington in the background. Where can you find that view overlooking Keyser Pond? This is a special place and the conditions are great today. As everyone knows, we're all expecting snow this week. Should make conditions great as we head into February. January has been better than expected and our guests and employees have been terrific in protecting each other and following the guidelines for wearing face masks and close encounters, social distancing inside the lodge. So we want to thank everyone for their cooperation in these difficult times. As everyone knows, these great conditions just don't happen, especially this year with the lack of much help from Mother Nature. So I have to give a huge shout out to all our snowmakers. So I would hope that everyone makes an effort to get out, enjoy the conditions for the balance of this ski season, and hope to see you all on the slope. Thank you.